Standard 8th Mathematics. Lesson number 5, Expansion Formula. Children, today we are going to learn expansion formula of lesson number 5. Children, we have already learned the formulas a plus b square, a minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. In the same way, we are going to understand the expansion of a x plus a into x plus b. This is two binomial where the first term is same. So we are going to do the expansion formula of this. Here in the book, the formula is given for x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. On the basis of this, we are going to solve practice set number 5.1. Question number 1. A plus 2 into a minus 1. Children, there are two methods to solve it. One, by using the formula, or second, directly. So first I will directly solve it and then I will show you how to use the formula. For direct multiplication, children, you have to remember there are two terms in the first bracket. You have to multiply this a with this whole bracket. Then you have to multiply this 2 plus 2 with the whole bracket. Remember, you have to take the plus sign also. Sign, don't forget to take the sign. So now I will solve it. First I take plus a, so we can write a, and then whole bracket of the second bracket, that is a minus 1. Okay, then I take plus 2, the second term, plus 2, and again whole bracket. That means a is multiplied with the second bracket and plus 2 is also multiplied with the second bracket. Now let's solve it. A into a, that means a square. A into minus 1 minus a. This is done. Now here plus 2 into a plus 2a plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Now this cannot be added to anyone. A square, it is a square. This a and a term is same, so this we can plus. Minus, here we have to consider this is 1. Minus 1 plus 2, that means plus 1a. 1a means a. And here minus 2. This is the answer. Now using the formula also we can solve the same. Let me take here formula. With the formula I will solve it and I'll show you. The formula is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Children, this is the formula. We can use this formula to solve this. Every time when you solve it, you write formula so you will remember. Continuously, if you keep on writing the formula in each and every sum, you will remember this formula very well. Now I will put this sum once again. A plus 2, a minus 1. Now we have to here consider, children, x, this is our x, a, 2 is our a. Now this is x, b is our minus 1. Okay. So x square, our x is here a square, plus a plus b. Here a is 2 and b is minus 1. Remember, we have to consider the sign. Plus 2 minus 1. Okay, for plus, if you don't write the sign, it's okay. X, what is x here? A. Plus A. In our sum, A is 2 into B. B is minus 1. Minus 1. Let's solve. A square. Once you put the numbers into the formula, then you can solve easily. Here, plus 2 minus 1 means plus 1. So plus 1A means plus A. Okay. Now we have to solve this. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 1, that means minus 2. You will get the same answer as here. So you can either use formula or you can directly solve this way. Both is right. Question 2. M minus 4 into M plus 6. So first I will do without formula and then I will do with the formula. M is multiplied to the whole second bracket, then minus 4 will be multiplied with the second bracket. So M multiplied to the second bracket, that is M plus 6, then minus 4 multiplied to the second bracket, again we have to use second bracket, M plus 6. Now let's multiply. M into M, M square, plus M into 6, 6M. Okay, so this is done. This one is done. We have done this much. Now this minus 4 multiplied by M, minus 4M. Okay, minus 4 multiplied by plus 6. So first you have to multiply the number, multiply the sign. 4 6 are 24. Sign minus multiplied to the plus, it becomes minus. Now we can add this because both the variable are M and M. So we can add this. We cannot add M square with M. Okay, or only number with the M. We can add only same variable with the same variable. So we can add this. This will be remain same. M square plus 6M minus 4M. Plus minus, it will be minus 6 में से 4 minus 2M, and sign here we have to use the bigger one. The bigger sign is plus. Okay, this is minus 24. This is the answer. Now same we will do using the formula. Let's use the formula. X plus A, X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus BX plus AB. So I write my question once again. Here, this is my X. 4 minus 4 is my A, 6 is my B. Okay, if you don't remember this way, you can write at the top. This is X, this is A, this is X, this is B. Now it will be simpler to put numbers into this formula. Okay, X square, my X is M, so I will write M square plus in bracket A plus B. My A is minus 4 and my B is plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6. Children, always take the sign along with the number. X. My X is M. So I will take M. Plus A into B. My A is minus 4. Minus 4 into B plus 6. 6. I will put this into the bracket. Okay, a plus b I will put into the bracket because two signs will come together. So let's solve it. M square, okay, minus 4 plus 6, माइनस प्लस माइनस, सो 4 में से 6 माइनस करेंगे, 2 हो गया. एंड वी विल टेक द साइन ऑफ बिगर वन, द 6 इज बिगर, सो प्लस साइन वी विल टेक, so it will come plus 2m. Okay, now here 4 6 are 24, plus minus minus, we got the same answer. You can solve using this, you can solve using without formula, both are correct children. One more sum I will solve. Third one, p plus 8, p minus 3, without using the formula. Take the first term, multiply with the second bracket, p minus 3. Take the second term and multiply with the second bracket. Okay, let's multiply. P into p, p square, minus 3p here, plus 8p, plus minus minus, 8 3s are 24. Okay, p square will be remain same because it cannot be added to anything. Here both the variable are same, p and p, we can do that addition. Minus plus, so it will be minus 5p, and sign of the bigger one is 8, so sign of the bigger one minus 24. You can use the formula and do the same. Okay, it's your choice. Question number 4, 13 plus x into 13 minus x. Children, if you see this sum, the first term of both the binomial are same and the second term of the both binomials are same. If you remember, there is a formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Using this formula we can solve this. So 13 plus x, 13 minus x. 13 is a and x is our b. This is a, this is b. So use directly this formula. 13 square minus x square. Let's find the square of 13. 13 square is equal to 13 into 13. So let's multiply 13 into 13. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. It comes to 1 6 9 6 1. So it will come to 169 minus x square. The remaining we will do in the next video, children.